This ain't no regular editing video. Why? Because I'm going to be spilling all my editing secrets. These are things that I have learned on my own from trial and error, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys today. So if you guys want to learn how to edit, then bring out your phone, your papers, your biro, everything, because you're going to learn today. You're gonna learn. At the end of this video, you don't learn anything new, write it in the comments. I dare you, because you are gonna learn something from this video. I promise you. So this is the photo we're going to be working with. When I take a lot of pictures, it's always so hard to choose. So when I finally find one that I want, I put it in my favorite category. So as you can see, this picture is full of a lot of things that are not necessary. I'm going to be posting it on Instagram, and we know that Instagram has a cropping ratio, which is either 1:1, which is a square, or 4:4, which is the longer one. So now I'm going to go into edit, and I'm going to crop it to 4:5. I press here and I slide to the end. I put 3:4. So I crop it so that the focus is going to be on my face, because it's Instagram. We don't want any extra thing that does not really matter in the picture. So I feel like this is okay. I like to use these lines, these grid lines, to see if I am in the middle of the picture. So I like to make sure that my eyes actually line up with the grid, so I can ensure that I'm at the middle of the picture. So now that is done, I go into Snapseed and I choose the picture I want. So I go into tools and I go into healing. So this healing is what you can use to remove any unnecessary things you see in your picture. So because this is a face picture, I don't want any extra pimples and all of that. So I'm just going to zoom into the pimple and just tap it, and it's going to remove everything from your picture. So if you have any unwanted thing in your picture, you can use this healing to remove everything. So I'm just going to zoom in. I see some glitter on my nose. I'm going to zoom in and tap it out. I zoom in, check, I see more glitter here. I'm gonna tap it out, because you know Instagram, you want your pictures to be almost flawless. So I like to zoom in and check if there are any extra pimples on my face that I'm not feeling, you know. So just to remove everything, because if you go in and smoothing your face without removing those pimples, your face is going to look like blur. It's not going to be nice. I don't like it. So I like to zoom it in and just remove any pimple and such from my face. So I think that's all. I'm gonna go and save it. Saves a copy. Now I'm gonna go into Facetune, not Facetune 2, Facetune, just Facetune, and I'm going to, where's the picture? I'm going to choose the picture and I go into whiten. So I use this whiten tool to whiten my eyeballs. So this just makes the eyes kind of stand out a little bit more. So I'm just going to be applying it on the white side of my eye. You see this middle, I'm going to whiten it up. So I'm going to press this blue button so you can see the before and after. Before, after, before, after. It's actually very small, but I don't like to do too much editing, so just the barest minimum to just make the picture a little bit more finer, you know. Next up, I'm gonna look into the picture and see what do I need in this picture, what is lacking in this picture. I'm gonna go into the tones tool, and I'm seeing that the highlight I put on my inner corner is not showing very well. So I'm going to go into palette and move this button to the upper end and use that white and go to tones, and I zoom it in and just give that, just touch my inner corner so that will pop. Go into the second eyes and just touch it, so it's just going to pop a little bit more. I feel like this is too much. I go into the eraser and just slightly graze over it. So before, after, before, after. I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna go into the smoothing tool. So I'm gonna go into smoothing, not smoothers, just smooth. I zoom into my face and just remove any texture on my skin. I don't go overboard with this. I just remove a little bit, just so my skin will look really nice. But don't go too much. Don't do too much, because when you do too much, that's when it's going to look so unrealistic. It's going to look like you don't have skin. So before, after, before, after. So I don't always smooth the whole of my skin. I just like to smooth in just the middle, my under eyes, my forehead, and my nose. So I'm seeing my lips. My lips are chapped in this picture. I forgot to put lip gloss. Oops. So what I'm gonna do is use that smoothing tool to smooth in my mouth. So this is the before, this is the after. Before, after. So that cracked lips, no more. So I'm just going to zoom around, look around the picture, see if there's anything else that needs to be fixed, and if there's nothing, we're going to go to the next step. So I'm going to go to my lace. It's not blended, so I'm going to go into tones and pick the color of my skin. Use that word picker, pick it, touch on the skin color that I want. So with this picker, you can choose any color on your face or on the picture that you want to use to paint on. So I'm going to zoom in and pick this skin that's close to the hair and go to tones and just fill it in, just so that the hair will blend even more. Before, after. So I'm going to erase those extra things that are not needed, and it is almost blended. So you see, before, after, before, after. Now I'm done with face tune. I'm going to go into Lightroom. Don't worry guys, we're getting somewhere. For Lightroom, as the name implies, Lightroom, you can always change the lighting. If you feel like your pictures are too dull or your pictures are too bright, you can always use Lightroom to do the editing for yourself. So for me, I don't really have time to be doing editing the whole day because I'm very consistent on my Instagram. So I can't be spending the whole day editing one picture when I still have to film videos for YouTube and Instagram. So I use my Lightroom presets. If you guys don't know, I have Lightroom mobile presets which I sell, which are called Meraki presets. You can check out the Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you can check out. I like to use my presets to just edit my pictures real quick. With the presets, they are already edited. You don't need to be doing the same type of editing over and over again. Just use the preset and you're good to go. So I have different presets. I have Hazel, I have Monochrome, I have Pecan, I have Retro, I have Rich, I have Sandstone, Sapphire, Vivid. So for this picture, I'm going to be using Rich because it just makes the picture look much better. But if you want to purchase my Lightroom presets, you can check out Meraki presets on Instagram, or you can check out the link on my bio. That's my website. You can check to look at the presets and see what works for you, so you can get my preset and you don't need to be doing all the editing every single time. All you just need to do is click on the preset and you get the presets on your picture. So once you buy the preset is all yours. You can use it on as many pictures as possible. So I'm looking at this Rich preset and I feel like this is the preset for this picture. Wow, this picture looks so good. Look at the before. This is before the preset, after the preset. Can you see the difference? Before, after, before, after. So it just gave it this oomph that it was lacking. So with my preset, you can do anything you want to your pictures. If you want a preset that's going to make your pictures look colorful, that you use the Vivid preset. If you want a black and white theme for your Instagram page, you can use Monochrome. If you want a preset that's going to make your pictures more vibrant like this one, you can use the Rich preset. Just check out the Instagram page and look through all the presets and see which one works for you. If you buy all the different presets, you're gonna get a discount. So who doesn't love a discount? As you can see, this picture is looking really good and ready for Instagram. So I'm just going to save it and post it on my Instagram. Like you can see, the picture looks so much better when the preset was added, and your pictures can look like that if you get the Meraki preset, because it just works for you. If you want your Instagram to look uniform, if you want your product, this is not just for people that want beautiful pictures. If you're a brand owner, once you use Meraki presets, your pictures are going to be taken to a whole nother level. You are going to see the difference in your product pictures. If you don't know anything about editing, that's why you need Meraki preset, because it's going to make your feed look cohesive. It's going to make your pictures look more beautiful, and it's just a vibe. You don't need to spend so much time editing just one picture. As you saw, it didn't take so much time to get to that point. So I just like using Facetune and Snapseed to remove any bumps on my face or to correct any mistakes. But with Lightroom, you can change the whole thing. You can change the colors on your face. And oh my god, I've been talking too much. My throat is dry. So if you guys want to support Meraki presets, which is my preset line, you can check out the link on the description box, so you can purchase if you want. Any vibe you're looking for, you're going to see it on Meraki preset. Just check out the Instagram page. You're going to see something you might like. I promise you guys. So if you guys want to see more editing videos from me, then please let me know in the comments. If you guys learned something from this video, please let me know in the comments. I have so much more to offer to you, but I'm not gonna give you guys more if you guys don't tell me you want more, because I don't want to waste my time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. To everyone who has purchased Meraki preset, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate it. The love is overwhelming. So if you guys want to purchase Meraki preset, you can check out Meraki preset Instagram. Guys, I'm exhausted. Oh my god, I'm using the front camera, so I don't know if I'm looking at the camera or myself. I'm sorry in advance. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to edit your pictures for Instagram or for yourself and all. If you guys want to see my side of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. Oh, Mathildaduku. If you guys want to purchase my presets collection, you can check out Meraki preset on Instagram, or you can check out the link on my description box to purchase from the website. If you guys want to know more about Meraki presets, I uploaded a launch video. I'm gonna put a card here or a video here so you can check it out and learn more about presets, what they are and how they can make your life easier. This is for you, not even for me, it's for you. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in my next video. You know it's Vlogmas. I'm gonna keep reminding you guys. If you haven't catched up on my previous Vlogmas videos, then maybe I should leave a playlist so that you can watch it if you haven't. I'm gonna leave a playlist, but still check it out if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.